Hello, it's Justine. I'm going to open up number 4, and this is the Advent Calendar from Spellbinders, and I'm just so excited to see what's in here. Oh, more dies. Sweet. Okay, so this is day 4. If you've missed day 1, 2, and 3, you can go ahead to my channel and check it out, but this is the 3rd day of dies of 4. There's some serious glue dots in here, so just be warned. And let's see, what do we have in here? It looks like some words. Happy birthday. Oh, that's so awesome. I can't wait to use these because this is that nice font from the Outline Sentiments. If you saw any of the other videos that I have made with the Outline Sentiments dies, I will just insert some pictures now in the video. But as you can see, those sentiments make some really beautiful cards. And happy birthday is so universal, and I know I can make many cards with this. So this will definitely become one of the staples in my crafty toolbox, if you will. So I love this. Happy birthday. Even just birthday or happy. And I have the Christmas Outline Sentiments or winter. I'm not sure what they titled it, but I have Christmas, so I could do happy Christmas or happy wishes or warm happy wishes and just kind of play around with the wording of that and kind of stretch my dies even more. If you're interested in knowing what this die is called, it is the S1-101W4. Anyway, thank you for watching day 4, and come on back for day 5 tomorrow. Bye!